Dear viewers, in this video you will learn about globe, latitude and longitudes. Students, we all live on the earth's surface, but have you ever seen it as a whole? Can you tell how our earth looks like? In the old days, people thought that the earth was as a flat as a table. They thought that when they would reach the edge of the earth, they would slip and fall down in the bottomless ocean. But this is, of course, not true. With the advancement in science and technology, man reached into space and saw the earth by his own eyes. He found that the earth is not flat. In fact, it is spherical in shape and flattened at both ends like an orange. Due to its shape, it can be called a geoid. With this introduction, let's move to the topic globe. Students, since the earth is a big sphere, it is impossible to see it as a whole at a time. Man developed a small but exact model of the earth to view it as a whole. This small model of the earth is known as the globe. A globe is a true model or the miniature form of the earth. Students, you must have seen a globe in your school. Globes are very small as compared to the earth, but they are true models of the earth. The earth is 30 to 40 million times bigger than the globe in your classroom. The globe is a hollow sphere on which the whole world is depicted. It is the same as has been seen by men from the space. You can see that a needle is fixed through the globe in the tilted manner. That is called its axis. The globe can move around this needle from west to east, which represents Earth's movement. But remarkably, the real Earth has no such needle. It moves around on its own on its axis, which is an imaginary line. The 2 points on the globe through which the needle passes indicate the two poles. The upper point is called the North Pole and the lower point refers to the South Pole.
I know that you like it.